In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Windows Update SSD failure issue. So if you're facing the SSD failure issue after your Windows was updated recently, it might be because your Windows has installed KB5063878 update. In that case, what you have to do is uninstall this update in order to fix your issue. For that, first of all, what you have to do is open the Windows Update settings. For that, click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now simply type in Windows Update settings. Now you'll be able to find the option for Windows Update settings over here. Simply click on this option, open. Now after you do that, Windows Update settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options at left over here. Make sure Windows Update option is selected. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for View Update History. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the update history interface. You'll be able to see the update history over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for uninstall updates. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to uninstall the update. If your Windows has recently installed the update KB5063878, what you have to do is simply click on it. Now right click on your mouse and you'll be able to find the option for uninstall over here. Click on it and it will be uninstalled. After you do that, what you have to do is restart your device. But if it is not being uninstalled, make sure Windows Sandbox is not enabled. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon again. Now what you have to do is search for Windows feature on and off. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for turn Windows features on or off. Click on this option, open. Now this kind of windows will open up. Over here you'll have to find the option for Windows Sandbox. Make sure this option is unchecked. If this option is checked, what you have to do is click on it in order to uncheck it. After you do that, simply restart your device and it will be disabled. Now you'll be able to uninstall the update. Now after this particular update has been uninstalled, what you have to do is make sure Windows does not automatically install this update. For that, what you have to do is open the Windows Update settings again. Search for it and open it. Now in the Windows Update interface, you'll be able to find various options. Simply click on this option, pause updates for 7 days, that you can see at second. If you're using Windows 11, you'll also be able to extend this time period. You can simply choose a time period and it will be paused for that particular time period. Now Windows will not automatically install that particular update and your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Windows Update SSD failure issue. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.